Yes. Good morning, children. How are you? I think all are fine at your home. Is it? Yes. Today we will discuss about third chapter. The chapter name is Rain. What is that? Rain. Where does it comes from? Where does it come from? Where does it come from? That is a topic name here. Before starting that lesson, it's better to recall one's previous lessons. The first lesson, food components. What is that food? Our food lesson. Okay? What is the first lesson? Our food lesson. In that lesson, we are learning about what is food. In which type of food material we are taking. Okay? Herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous animals. Several type of peoples are they are eating different type of food material. For example, in Telangana people they are taking different type of food material, and Rajasthan people they are eating different type of food material. When we are comparing between two places, the two places peoples they are eating different type of food materials. And in that lesson we are learning about what is ingredient, what is the use for us. Okay, yes or no? We learned or not? Yes, we learned. Okay, and what is balanced diet? What is minerals? Which type of food material we should take? These type of information we are learned in first lesson. In second lesson, magnets. Okay, what is the main use of magnets? And which type of magnets are available in our society? And what are they? What is the use for us? Ring magnet, bar magnet, horseshoe magnet, and etc. like magnets. Okay, and how to prepare own magnet. Okay, this type of information or study we have studied in first and second chapter. Okay, today we will discuss about lesson number 3, that is rain. Where does it come from? Okay, look there now. Raining season, the climatic condition totally change. When we are comparing between other two seasons, the raining season, our environment, it is totally different to summer season and monsoon season or winter season. Okay? Yes, but the rain, where does it come from? Let us discuss today. Okay? Yes. Ramya and Soumya, they both are good friends. Were getting ready to go to school. Their mother advised them to keep as umbrella with them. Ramya asked her mother, "Mother, why the umbrellas was needed as it was not raining time or raining season? Why are you saying to me?" She asked to her mother. Okay? He suggested, that means the Ramya mother, she suggested, and Ramya and Soumya, they both are keep one umbrella in their own bags and they are ready to go into school. When they are going to school, automatically they are shocked because of the rain it is falling on that time. They both are shocked. When they are starting the school, there is no any cloud, there is no any climatic condition change. But her mother advised her to keep umbrella. Then they came to return to home and they are asking to mother, mother, why you are suggested to me take one umbrella? Then the mother said, when we are observed in our environment, when I observe environment, environment it is totally look like a cloudy environment. The cloudy environment it is indication of raining. That's why I said, that is mother saying, that's why I suggested to keep one umbrella with yours. Okay, that means what is that meaning means, with the help of environment changes we should recognize and identify what is the seasons, what is a particular day weather report. Okay, in assembly time generally we are saying about weather report, today cloudy day or sunny day or rainy day, mostly cloudy day. Why we are saying? Because of our environment changes. With help of our environment changes, we are saying what is the nature of today or what is the weather report. Yes or no? Yes. Yes. Next one. Look then, rain is one of the common phenomenon. As well as like summer, like light or air and humidity. Like rain is one of the common phenomenon. Yes or no? Yes. Yeah. Generally, in raining season, we are getting more rains. Yes or no? Generally, we are getting more rains in raining season. Okay? Yes. In general observation is that if there are clouds are formed in environment only raining season. But remember one thing, all type of clouds cannot getting rains. Okay? Only few clouds it have water. Okay? After it is cooling, the rain will comes on the earth. Okay, Nana? Yes. Let us discuss one by one. To understand about clouds and raining, we need to first know something about water. Before raining, we should learn nature of the water. Nature of the water. Okay? Or forms of water. Next, we should learn what is the rain, how it is comes. Okay? Yes. First of all, we will discuss about forms of water. What is that? Forms of water. Yes. Water have mainly three forms. How many forms? Three forms. What are they? Let us discuss. Okay? Yes. The first one, solid form. What is that? Solid form. Okay? Next, second one, liquid form. Okay? Based on the nature, water it is divided into three forms. The first one, solid form. Second one, liquid form. Liquid form. Okay? And third one, gaseous form. What is that? Gaseous form. Okay? What is the first? Solid form, liquid form, and gaseous form. Okay, Nanan? Let us discuss one by one. First one, solid form. What is the nature of the water? Solid. It does look like a raw material, hard material. Okay? the nature of a material, it is look like a hard material. The nature of the form is the nature of the material is called solid material or solid form. Okay now, for example, it is a one of the chalk piece. It is a one of the solid form. Okay, and duster. Duster, it is a one of the solid form. Okay now, yes, bench and chair. Okay, board, etc. Like those are called solid form. It is look like a hard materials. Okay, same as well as like the water also it have solid form. You know what is a solid form? Nature of water. Give me one example, children. You don't know that? Shall I give? Yes. The examples of a solid form: ice. What is that? Ice cubes. Ice. Okay, it is belongs to solid form of water. Yes, it is a solid form of water. That's it. Okay, Nana? Yes. Look there. Second one. And one more also. Snow also it is a one of the solid form. Okay. Snow also it is a one of the solid form. Okay now? Yes. Next, liquid form. Liquid form. Liquid it is nothing but like general water nature. Okay, liquid forms. If with the form of liquid, we should observe lake, oceans, and rivers, etc. like places. The lakes are totally fulfilled with water. What is the nature of water? Liquid nature. Okay, liquid nature. We are drinking water. We are drinking normal water. What is the nature of normal water? Liquid water. Okay, we are preparing several type of food materials with help of water. What is that water nature? Liquid nature. We are washing our houses and vehicles. What is that water nature? Liquid nature. Okay now, liquid form. What is that form? Liquid form. Okay. Yes. Now tell me examples of liquid form of water sources. Liquid form of water sources. Examples like lakes, lake water. Okay, sea water, drinking water, and etc. Those are belongs to liquid form of water. Is it clear? Yes. Next last one, gases form. Yes, the water also available in gases nature. Gases form. Sir, how it is possible, sir? Shall I give example? Yes. Example: water vapor. Water vapor, that is a gas form of water. Gas form of water. Okay, is it clear, children? Yes. Next, I will write one equation. With help of equation, you should learn easily or you should understand easily. Okay, shall I write? Yes. Look there here. Ice, it is converted into water. When it is converted into water, the ice, when we are boiling the ice, when we are heating the ice, automatically the ice is converted into water. Okay, what is the mechanism? Heating. Okay, next, same When again we are continuously doing heating mechanism, what will happen? The water is converted into water vapor. What is that? Water vapor. Water vapor. Okay, children. And next, look there here. Three type of stages. Okay, and three type of forms. What is the first one? Ice. Already you know ice cubes available in market or our fridge. Okay, when we are keeping water into deep fridge, automatically after couple of hours the water is converted into ice. You should take the type of ice, then you can keep in the bowl. Okay, then you can heat that bowl. What will happen? Let us observe. After couple of minutes, the ice is converted into water with the help of heat. Okay, that means look there now. The ice form, that means the solid form, it is converted into liquid form. Yes or no? What is the ice nature? Solid. Okay now, the solid form it is converted into, what is the nature of water? Liquid with help of heating mechanism. Again we are doing heating mechanism or boiling the water. What will happen? The water is converted into water vapor. That means the liquid form it is converted into gaseous form. Is that no? Yes. And one more thing. Look there. Reverse mechanism. When the water vapors are cooled. What is that? When the water vapors are cooled, automatically the water vapors are converted into water. Okay? The water vapors are converted into water. Small example. Okay, when your mother preparing rice, okay, then you can open the tap of the bowl. Okay, then you can observe the aluminium plate. What will happen? Automatically some water droplets, like for example it is one of the aluminium plate. When you observe a small droplet to water vapors are present. Okay, when they are cooled, when the water vapors are cold, okay, then they are connected to each other. And they are modified into water molecules. Is that no? Water molecules. Okay, when you are keeping one side, automatically the water vapors are converted into water. Okay, it is falling down on the floor. Okay, next one. When again the water is cooled, okay, then you can take one glass of water and keep inside the fridge, deep fridge. After couple of hours, what will happen? You should observe that the water is converted into ice. The water is converted into ice. Yes or no? Yes. That means what it is indicating means the water it is changing into many stages. Okay? It is changing into many stages. Okay now? Yes. Okay? Ice it is converted into water with help of heating mechanism. Water is converted into water vapor with help of heating mechanism. Again, when the water vapors are converted into water with help of cooling mechanism. When the water is converted into ice cubes with help of cooling mechanism. Okay, Nana? It is one of the forms of waters. Okay? Yes. Yeah. Next one. Next, I will give one more example. Okay? I will give one more example for you. Okay? Then you can take. It's better to do at your home with help of your parents. Okay? First, you should take one bowl. Okay? First, you should take one bowl and pour some water. Pour some water in the bowl. Okay? And with help of stove, you should heat. Okay? With help of stove, it is better to heat that bowl. After what will happen? Note it. After what will happen? You should write few points. Okay? Remember it. Okay, Nana? Next, we will discuss about next topic, evaporation and condensation process. Evaporation and condensation. Evaporation and condensation. Okay? The first one, evaporation. What is evaporation? Evaporation, it is nothing but the process of water changing into water vapor. What is that? The process of water changing into water vapor. The process is called evaporation. What is that? The process of water changing into water vapor. Water vapor is called what is that? Evaporation process. Are you understand? Look there. The process of water changing into water vapor is called evaporation. That means the water it is converted into water vapor. Water vapor with help of heat. What is that? With help of heat. The process is called water vapor. Okay? With help of water vapors, the clouds are formed in our environment. The clouds are formed in environment. Okay? With help of water vapor, clouds are formed in environment. That is a relationship between water and water vapors. How it is possible? Okay, I will say a small example. Okay, yeah. What is the differentiation between raining season and summer season? The both season climatic conditions are same in environment? No. Okay, in raining season, heavy rains, heavy water available on earth, water resources areas totally fulfilled with water. Yes, temperature less in raining season. Yes or no, Nana? Humidity, high humidity present in environment. Yes or no? Yes. But what about summer season? Heavy temperature. There is no water in water resources areas. Less humidity present in atmosphere. Why it is? What is the reason? Because of heat, because of sunlight, in summer season, the water it is converted into water vapor. Remember it. In summer season, what will happen? Why the natural resource, water natural resources totally, it's become a drying. Because of the water it is participating. Evaporation process. That's why water resources areas look like a dry condition. It has become a dry condition. That means the water it is participating evaporation process. That means water it is converted into water vapor. Then it is reached into the atmosphere. When the water vapors are cooled, when the water vapors are cooled, it is formed a clouds. It's formed clouds like structure. Okay? This is the evaporation process. Okay? Before I said one activity. Okay? Then you can take one bowl and pour some water and heat it. After what will happen? Observe. Okay? That is the evaporation process. Evaporation mechanism. You should observe and write some notes. No problem. Okay, Nana? Yes. Second one, condensation. Condensation. Okay? Condensation it is nothing but. Condensation is nothing but the process of conversion of water. The process of conversion of water vapor into water is called condensation. What is that? The process of conversion of water vapor into water. Reverse mechanism of evaporation. Okay? What is that? The process of water vapor the process of conversion, the process of conversion of water vapor into water is called condensation. Condensation process. Look there here. What is that? The process of conversion of water vapor into water. Conversion of water vapor into water is called, what is that? Condensation process. Look there here. Water vapor is converted into water with help of cooling mechanism. With help of cooling mechanism. Okay? Yes, the process of conversion of water vapor into water is called condensation process. Shall I give an example? Yes. If we are drinking cool drink, okay? Otherwise, when you are keeping water bottle into fridge after half an hour or 1 hour, then you can open the fridge, then you can take the water bottle and observe. What will happen? Automatically the surface of the water bottle, it is totally covered by water droplets or water vapors. After couple of minutes, the water vapors, it is converted into water. Why it is? When the water bottle present in the fridge, the fridge environment condition is very cool. Yes or no? Yes. When it is open, when the water bottles comes outside the fridge, what will happen? The outside environment, it is very different. Yes or no? In fridge environment condition, it is cold. But what about outside the fridge? When we are comparing fridge environment and outside the environment condition, they both are same? No, it is different. The fridge environment condition is very cool, but outside the fridge environment condition is very heat. In that, what will happen? That means the cool materials, it's react with environment water vapor. Environment water vapor. Environment water vapor, it is cooled, then they are converted into water, is called condensation process. Okay? Yes, otherwise you should take one glass, then you can pour cooled water or cooled soft drink in that glass. After a couple of minutes you should observe. The outside the glass, it is totally covered with water vapor. Where it is come? Where it is come? Because of in surrounding of the glass, it's consisting of the surrounding of glass environment, it is consisting of water droplets or water vapor. When we are pouring cool soft drink in the glass, automatically the coolness, the cool temperature react with water vapors. The water vapors are converted into water. The process is known as condensation process. Otherwise, I will give one more example. In early morning, some members are doing jogging or walking on the road and running on beside on the road or playing in the ground. What you are observe? What you are observe? In that grass, in the ground, it has some grass. On that grass, the surface area of the grass, it is consisting of some water droplets. Where it is come? If you take summer season and raining season and any season, in early morning, you should observe in the grass, it consisting of some water droplets. For example, it is one of the grass leaf. Okay? You should observe the grass leaf. On the surface of the grass, you should observe some water droplets. Where it is come? Because of condensation process, the water droplets are formed on the grass. In morning time, what is the temperature? What is the environment condition? It is look like cold temperature. Okay, it is a cool temperature. When the environment it is converted into cool, the environment water vapors are converted into water droplets or water. The process is called condensation process. Are you understand? Yes. Okay now? Okay children? Yes. Look there here. What is the evaporation process? The process of water changing into water. The process of water changing into water vapor is called evaporation process. Okay? Yes. And simply boiling of water. Okay? Cooking of rice. Okay? Etc. Next, condensation process. The process of conversion of water vapor into water is called condensation process. And simply, the water vapor is converted into water with help of cooling mechanism. Okay? Yes. This is our today lesson. Today topics. Okay now? Let us discuss next class. Let us discuss about formation of clouds and water cycle. Okay? Okay children. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay?